Hello, lovely people. It's Zoe, and I know I disappeared again after weeks of saying, hindi ako magdi-disappear, pero active naman ako sa Facebook. Pang-follow ko na yon. And another pangbawi ko na rin dito sa YouTube is, I actually am doing a digital clean sa mga devices ko, sa tablet ko, sa phone ko, tsaka especially sa laptop ko. And then while I was cleaning, I stumbled upon my old vlog nung April 2025 na hindi ko siya na-post. Basically, ang na-edit ko lang ay yung draft ko, draft 1, 2, and 3. And so, ipagpi-piece together ko na lang siya. Hindi ko na masyadong i-edit, wala ng subtitles or all. And yung description ng bawat days, ilalagay ko na sa description below if you're curious what is happening, something like that. And yeah, yun na lang pakonsuelo ko. And another thing is I will be doing a new series or a new niche when it comes to my vlogging, a new theme. So, yun ang pinaghahandaan ko ngayon. Kaya hindi rin ako makapag-vlog kasi nga buhay ko tsaka new niche and new theme na gusto kong gawin. Anyways, this has been Zoe. Please enjoy this vlog. And if I do look different or if I look chopped in this, just a reminder, this was last year, okay? And iba pa yung humor ko siguro, medyo OA pa ako nito. So, thank you so much. Goodbye. Enjoy.
Ganda rin pala dito eh.
Usapin mo muna sila.
Keep the gravity.
Ay, may scratch ka dyan?
So, wala.
Alam niyo ba ang Jupiter?
Yan. Usapin mo muna sila.
Sino sila? Sila. Sino sila? Sila. 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 Sino sila? Sila. 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 Alam niyo ba ang Jupiter?
We're at Mariposa Resort. Mariposa Resort. I still have my tan line. What the? Aray! Ang puti oh. Gatas, kape. Oh! Gatas, kape.
Hilod time. Hilod time.
Huwag baka magsugat. Gatas, kape.
Mapa ng ano.
Oh,
Swimming na tayo.
atang halata yung tan lines ko. Mamaya.
Game 1 na high blood si Nicole followed by 3-point shots.
Let's put on sunscreen.
Eto pa behind the back dribble.
Sunscreen number 1.
Yellow o
15
matutunan
points
na.
na ang inahabol ng Denver Nuggets dahil sa 12 points ni Kawhi Leonard.
Antarila.
Okay lang yan. Nakadamit naman ako. Hindi naman ako sa sunbathing suit doon.
Manawawala nga. Asan na? Hindi.
Pakipati pa nila kung susunod ako eh.
Nawawala. Kasi ito. Tingin ito.
Ay.
Sunscreen number 2.
Zubac na naging kalaban dito ng LA Clippers last 5 minutes ay ang kanilang foul trouble James Harden with 3 fouls.
Nakabili ko lang.
Ang LA Clippers na 67-64. Lamang pa rin ang LA Clippers Aaron Gordon 200 dunk. Nasa tungkit palalo ang laban dito sa fourth quarter.
Next time ano tayo?
Via
Villa Prado. Gusto ko yung malakas sa alon.
The claw again.
May taril.
And Jamal Murray ties the game at 81 with a 3-point basket. Eto
Kapag simi na ako kanina, pero nalobot yung phone ko. So, simi ulit tayo. Para magkamukha nga tayo, pero may halo ako ni Papa. Ako, hindi pa namin nakita yung ano. Nandito yan sa lap ko, eh, hindi ko napansin. We're going home.
Nagkamit ng pinakmataas na tarangalan mula sa Stan Amat.
And Zoreta Tria Zorel Inc.
sa mga mag-aaral sa Senior High School ng Pambansang Mataas.
Maging kaagapay kayo sa pagbubuo ng isang bagong Pilipinas.
We're going home. I finally graduated senior high school and my high school life is finally over.
Hulog yan. Parang graduate.
I just got home. Oh my god. You know, I was like supposed to film. Like, I was supposed to hold my phone while being on that ride, that crazy hella ride, bitch. Then I, there's a voice inside. Like, there's like a voice in my ear, only one of my ears that said, look, I doubt that you will have able to handle your phone because you'll be too busy screaming. It will probably, like, fly away. And so I got scared. It's not personal, it's just like a very, very, like a voice inside my head. And I was right, girl. I didn't film the things because I was screaming so fucking bad. I was screaming so much. I was screaming my life. I was swearing. I was crying. Oh my fucking god. And I should have filmed like 1 minute after getting off of that ride. I was like, it felt like my soul left my body and it was still in the air spinning around in that ride. And it just came back after 5 minutes. I was soulless for like 5 minutes straight because I was so fucking traumatized. Oh my god, fuck. The way I screamed at that ride, I never actually knew I could scream like that and swear that fucking hard over a ride. And but it's like a 25 out of 10 experience. It's like the best ride and the most scariest ride I've ever rode in that carnival. It's like I've been going there every single year and that's the best one so far. I love that ride, but at the same time it just like left my body. And I just like, well, you know what's funny is because like while I was in that ride and I noticed myself, I was screaming so bad. I was just like, oh, what if since I've already graduated, what if I just like swear, like scream out all my anger away. I'm not gonna say anything but except putang ina mo! Something like that. I was swearing so bad. Putang ina! Putang ina mo! Something like that. It's not that. I think I have no voice left, so I cannot scream anymore, and I have neighbors too, so no. And yeah, so I was just like right there, screaming my heart out, screaming my lungs out and my anger out, just to like move on from the past, from my high school life, because a lot of people betrayed me. Anyways, so yeah, it was an indeed ride. And one thing for sure is like, I was actually with my friend. I never actually filmed him because like I'm kind of shy asking for permission. I think he's camera shy too, and so yeah, I was so shocked that the way he told the operator, the ride operator, that like, hey, my strap got removed. Like, I was screaming for my life. If I was him and if I noticed that the strap of my ride got like detached, I would fucking cry. I would fucking scream for my life. Go ahead, you stop! He was like, he never screamed all throughout the ride. He was just like this, and like closed eyes and like this. And I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? And I was like, and that's like I saw people like that before, but I never expected him to be like, kuya, natanggal yung strap, kuya, wait lang, natanggal yung strap, kuya. Like, it was so fucking chill. What the fuck are you made of, girl? Anyways, shout out to you, Jonas. Shout out to you, Jonas. Jonas, Sa lahat ng tao na nakakala ko na napaka-nonchalant, ikaw talaga yung totoong nonchalant at talaga nakasama ko. Eh, sa top spin rate pa talaga. Anyways. So, I'm back. Like, my soul left. Oh, fuck, my hair. So, yeah. So, that was it. And I'm gonna go and take a shower now. And afterwards, I'm gonna clean my room, clean the house, eat dinner. And I'm gonna go to sleep because I have work tomorrow. I have no rest, girl. I just graduated. Fuck, I just fucking graduated. And tomorrow I have fucking work. Who needs a day off? Anyways, when you are like financially deprived and I fucking need money, girl. Who needs rest? I wanna die rich. Shut up. Bye. I'm gonna shower now. I'm gonna do something now. I'm gonna see you later.